Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mamaearth Vitamin C Facial Kit. First, start by cleansing your face thoroughly with the provided cleansing milk. This step is crucial for removing any dirt, oil, or makeup, preparing your skin for the subsequent treatments. Gently massage a small amount onto your face and neck in upward circular motions for about 2 minutes, then rinse it off with water. Next, apply the face scrub to gently exfoliate your skin. Focus on areas prone to blackheads, but be careful not to over-scrub. After rinsing, move on to the massage cream. This step helps to improve blood circulation and deeply nourish your skin. Massage it in for 5 to 7 minutes until it's mostly absorbed, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Now it's time for the brightening face mask. Apply an even layer over your entire face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Let the mask sit for about 15 minutes, allowing the vitamin C to work its magic and brighten your complexion. Once dry, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water, revealing a refreshed and glowing look. Finally, complete your facial routine by applying the vitamin C facial serum. Take a few drops and gently pat it onto your face and neck until fully absorbed. This serum locks in moisture and enhances your skin's radiance. For more great deals, including the darn tough socks mentioned, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your beautifully refreshed and glowing skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.